You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is p equals -5/3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all p terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 6p from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the p. Divide both sides by -3. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. And so the final result is p equals -5/3.